And what makes me feel good is being immature and busting some willies. Busting some willies. Yeah, baby, we out here. Round, damn, baby, woo. You know, I've been riding motorcycles for many years now, and I'll tell you guys, actually, when I started off, I was probably a little bit more mature than I am now. I'm gonna tell you, man, there's a lot of bikers out there like me that turn into an immature biker. But I'm gonna tell you why. Stay tuned. Cooking it out here, boy.
Let's go for a ride. Watching CycleCruza's all-in-one motorcycle channel. Subscribe today.
I don't care what motorcycle you're riding out there. You got to wear all the gear to stay safe out here on the streets. And I tell you, I got some awesome gear I have links to, like this ultra lightweight carbon fiber helmet that comes with an automatic tint shield, my favorite helmet ever, motovlog camera, airbag vest to help keep you safe. I never leave home without it. My C armor jacket flows a ton of air, lightweight, awesome, cheap. I have links to everything in the description and comment section of this video. I'll be honest with you guys, man. Since getting this bike, whoa. Almost had a real effed up day. Ran that wheelie a little too long, baby. Well, I'll tell you guys that this bike has really regressed my maturity level. I'm gonna keep it real with you, man. You know, I find myself constantly busting wheelies on this thing, ripping the throttle, hooting and hollering out here. Woo! Good times, baby. Like a fool, and just being very immature. And I know some of you guys probably would think, CycleCruza, you need to grow up. I remember, you know, even though I'm mature in the sense that I wear all the gear, and I tell you guys that you don't see me ripping the throttle out on the highway doing 200 miles an hour and stuff like that. Hyper boost on! To me, that is the worst immaturity right there, is to rip the throttle and do super high speeds on the highway. Because I tell you, if you'll crash doing triple digits on the highway or whatever, that's gonna set you up for a real effed up day or no days left. And if you get busted by the cops doing the triple digit speeds, not only are you gonna lose your license, but you're gonna be thrown in jail and you're gonna have a felony on your record. It ain't worth it, man. That's why I switched from the super bikes, you know, the super fast bikes, and I switched over to a supermoto, because the supermoto, even though this has probably made me a little bit more immature, I'm not out here ripping the throttle like a fool like I used to, but I ripped the throttle on this one, but at least I'm not doing the triple digit speeds out there. I'm just busting some wheelers out here and having a good time, you know what I'm saying? And I enjoy riding this at slow speeds, as where the sport bikes, it's not so fun just riding around here at slow speeds on a fast bike, man, in a race position, you know what I'm saying? Here I'm chill upright, I got all this torque at hand, super lightweight bike, you know, torque monster, busting some wheelers out here, and it feels good. So there's a difference between being I guess immature and really immature, you know what I'm saying? But I guess we're both immature, let's keep it real. But at least I'm the safe immature, or safer, or should I say safer immature. You got different levels of immaturity out there, you know what I'm saying? I'm a bit more safer now. Yeah, baby, we out here. That chick probably think I was showing off in front of her, but I didn't even see her till I busted the wheelie. Now that's kind of immature when you're like showing off, you know what I'm saying? And I wasn't showing off, because I don't, you know, I'm not like that. I like to go somewhere where ain't nobody around, it's quiet, and I go bust a wheelie, you know what I'm saying? Because I don't want to draw attention to myself, because they call the cops. And I don't want the cops called on me, man. You know what I'm saying? That's the immaturity. So, yeah, I need to be more mature and not go around here busting some willies. But you know what? You got to have some fun in life. You know what I'm saying? You can't be... I know some of you guys turn into old fuddy-duddies out there, and you get your Harley Davidson. And that's the sign of a maturity, because you can't bust wheelies, really. Some people bust wheelies on them Harleys, though. You know what I'm saying? They got that nice bottom end grunt on some of them bikes. They can get that wheel up. But most people just get on them things and just cruise around here. You know what I'm saying? These old dudes out here, and young dudes, too. Don't get me wrong. But a lot of guys, they graduate from the sport bike being immature, ripping the throttle, busting wheelies and stuff, to the Harley Davidson, becoming more mature out here, you know. And I have to respect them, though. You know what I'm saying? Because honestly, it is immature to be going around here busting wheelies in the neighborhood, and hooting and hollering and riding over crap and acting a fool. And go over. But you only live once, man. You gotta enjoy it while you can. I know some of you guys, you get older and you got arthritis and back problems, all kinds of stuff, and you really can't do these things. You can't physically do it because it hurts you. So you have to just get around. Dang, baby, woo. But some of you guys can't act a fool no more. So that's your, you act like it, chalk it up to maturity, but really it's more a physical thing. You can't really do it no more. Because if you were feeling physically good and everything, you probably would be out here like me, busting some winners out here on the supermoto, baby. Having a good old time out here. We out here, baby. Yeah. You gotta have fun, man, especially in these tough times we're in right now. You know what I'm saying? All you hear is bad news every day on the news. Bad news. What's going on with the health crisis in the world, and can't do this, you can't do that. Mandates on this. You got to wear this, wear this. Wear that. Do this. Stay away from people. It all gets you down, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's why I like to get out here. And what makes me feel good personally is busting a wheelie. It feels good. Feels real good. Yeah. Feels real good. Busting some wheelies out here. Ripping that throttle, baby. Feeling good out here. Yeah. We out here. Feels good, baby. Feels real good. Yeah, I'm immature, and what? I'm having a good time out here. Having a good time on my motorcycle. Good old time out here. And really, at the end of the day, I don't care what anybody else thinks. You know what I'm saying? You think I'm immature? I don't care what you think. Because I have to live my own life, and I have to do what makes me feel good. And what makes me feel good is being immature and busting some willies. Busting some willies. Yeah, baby, we out here. Yeah, feels good out here. Busting all kinds of willies out here. Feeling good. Make you feel real good, baby. But I tell you, get you a supermoto, make you feel real good. Extra good out here. Yeah. Oh no, I don't care. Do whatever you want to do, man. I'm doing what I want to do out here. And if I want to act a fool, then I act a fool out here. You hear? You do you, I do me. You know what I'm saying? But whatever you do, guys, you got to make sure you're wearing all the gear. Like I said, I got links to all my awesome gear out there to keep you safe. Make sure you hit thumbs up, guys. It really helps my channel. I appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe to my all-in-one motorcycle channel. And also make sure to check out my other channel. Bug Out Moto. Deuces.
Thumbs up. Check out my playlist for new riders and popular videos. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and check out my other channel, Bug Out Moto, where I customize a van for my motorcycle so I can live in my van with my motorcycle and travel across the country anywhere. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bug Out Moto.